Good morning, YouTube. This is Tom again. I have a project coming up. One of my clients asked if I can put handrails into their townhomes by the stairs for safety reasons. So I'm going to take you on my journey. So this is just a basic handrail, 2¼ and I'm going to cut it on the 45 angle and then make a return to it so it can be attached to the wall with brackets. I'm back. As I said before, I'm going to make handrails for the stairs for one of my clients, and you have to cut the oak to 45-degree angle with a return. So just a little tip. This is just to demonstrate. This is the return, okay, as you can see right here. So the return has to be 1.5 inch clearance for your hand to grab when you install it on the wall. So I'm going to cut it right here. See where I have the line? So between the corner and the line is 1.5 inches. I will demonstrate after I cut the piece so you can have a clear idea. And then I will glue it, nail it, and I have to finish it. I have to stain it, and then put polyurethane to finish it nice. Maybe 2-3 times sanding and going back. I will show you. Thank you. So this is the piece, the return that goes to the wall. So as you can see, I've got it 45-degree angle. And we're going to glue it and then nail it. Fill the nail holes, stain, and finish it nicely with stain and polyurethane. Maybe 2-3 times sanding and So this is what it's. This is how it's going to look, and after it's glued and nailed, and this piece goes directly to the wall with the brackets on the bottom. I will show you when it's the whole piece is done. Good morning, YouTube. It's Tom from ARTF. This is the end result. You can see this is the return. I glued it and I nailed it from the side. Like you need like 3-4 nails, that's it, not too much, but make sure you put enough glue. As you can see, everything looks good. So now I'm in the process of sanding the handrails. Then we gonna put a coat of polyurethane. It's it's everybody's choice. You can put water base or you can put oil base. And the sheen also, you can put different sheens, semi-gloss, high gloss, whatever suits your needs. I will film a video while I'm installing these brackets and show you the process and measurements how you can attach them to the wall. Thank you for watching. Here I can't because it ends here, so I'm just gonna give you another example. So we go here, 31, you make a mark and then you snap a line, and when you snap a line you're going to try to find the beams so you can install the brackets exactly on the line that we're gonna snap. I'm gonna show you an example how to do the line. Hello, it's Tom again. So I showed you how you get your measurements to 36, right? So we went over here, 31 plus 5, that's 36. So now we need to install the bracket. Bracket like this, or whatever color you choose. This is just an example. So I have to get a stud scanner, and you go around, you find your scanner, your stud, and then you go like this with the bracket, exactly as I'm showing you. You know, actually, sorry, exactly see the bracket, the hole here in the bottom, that's what you're going to aim for on the line. And I use a piece of, what do you call this material? Just a line of any sort of, could be anything, instead of snapping a line of chalk, because it's going to make a mark on your paint and you can remove it. I found this way works the best for me. If the house already had paint on it, why ruin it, and paint again? So you take your brackets, you set her up right exactly on the line where the stud is. Let me grab the piece of handrail. So this is exactly how it's going to be. So you follow, you go up again. Most cases you're going to need like 3 brackets. That's just another example. You go exactly like this, and that's how the rail goes. And then on the last one right there, this is where you're gonna install it. All right, thank you for watching my video. Hello YouTube, I'm back. Everything is done. You can see the handrail installed. I've done 5 of them. I've done this small one right here, and then this one going down the basement. And this one going up to the master bedrooms. And this small one right here when you come out of the bedroom. So this wrap up the project of handrails. These were white oak, solid white oak handrails. I sanded them, finished them polyurethane 3 or 4 times to get a smooth finish. And we used these gold. It's not really gold, it's brass. The color is close to gold, but that's the customer choice, not my choice, to match the rest of her house, because all the handles are in gold. So that's the closest we could find to match. And also the oak floor is matching exactly with the handrails. Better than the existing one that they had. Thank you for watching.